What's going on, my YouTube world? This is Levi back at you with Truck Talk. As you guys can tell, I have a truckload full of lumber, beams to be exact. A lot of videos showing you guys, man, how to strap a lumber load. It's very simple, in my opinion. Some might not. Ones who don't think it's simple, hey, I got you guys. The main concern that I want to show you guys today on Truck Talk is how they put this stuff on top of the trailer. Ever since I was young, I was always amazed of how the machinery and the equipment picked up the commodity to load onto the trailer. Another thing I will be showing you guys, I'm going to the tire shop. I got 2 trailer tires that's, beat up pretty bad, going through different state to state. Different cities, you got their own way of doing construction on the roads. All of them messed up. Another thing, I have an air leak in my passenger seat. Probably sat down, reached the airline. To be exact, that's what I think it is. If it doesn't cost something astronomical, I'll let them do it. Stay tuned. If you have any dunnage, this is the time to place it upon your trailer, preparing your load of lumber. The equipment for this load is the following. 1, dunnage. 2, the legal amount of straps required from DOT or more that's suitable for your comfort. 3, a cheater bar. 4, edge protectors, which are optional. Whenever you are getting loaded with lumber or steel, make sure you are standing out of the way and clear of the forklift operator. Safety first. Also, guide the forklift operator while he is placing the commodity onto your trailer. Hey, do they usually torque these loads?
Nah, we don't say torque. Y'all dispatchers say torque.
Okay, cause I was like, shoot, do they get wet?
Nah, they sit out here and get wet. Snow, rain, every damn thing else.
Okay, I'm just making sure. Cause sometimes them brokers and stuff, they don't be knowing what they be doing. All right. I'm not the tallest man in the world, so when I'm throwing straps, I prefer the hook shot method. It's efficient for me and it doesn't waste my time. Everyone has a method while winching a strap tight. I prefer to insert the strap, pull it out to its fullest, and wrap it, placing the excess between the railings as I secure the load. That's what you want to hear. You want to play music when you strap down. Right down your straps. You want to hear the guitar. You hear that guitar? You got bass. If you're not playing music with your straps, you're in trouble. Now that I showed you guys that we got everything strapped, you how they put it onto the trailer. Walk with me, talk with me, learn with me. Go to the tire shop, man. It's tired, taking it off, putting it back on. I ain't gonna show you all that. I'm gonna get the idea of what's going on. We're gonna end up fixing that air leak on that seat. Tried to get the best footage I could. I did what I did. Let's get to the shop.
These work the best, but those are also decent.
Okay, so what's going on with mine is eating up in the middle.
Middle?
Yeah.
Huh. What kind of tires? Straight on your tire? What kind
It's actually right here, the truck right here. It's a blue K on that blue T660. Something like that, man.
free cap?
Huh?
That's just a cheap free cap.
Okay.
But you can see like where it's rounded off. It's made that way when these turn. It gives just enough give that they don't chunk out the tire quite so bad like on these other recaps. Like any of these, if you were to put any of these recaps on there, or even a virgin tire, it's going to chunk out the sides of them real bad.
Mm-hmm.
Well, tires are expensive. You don't want to do that.
Right. So what is the reason for this chunk right here?
It's probably just its weak point, honestly. Usually the outside tire will take the most damage. So that's usually the ones that's first to go, like that one on the other side, especially on the front axle, because it gets drugged. You turn left, that outside tire is getting drugged while the inside tire is being pushed. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to shred those inside and those two outside tires. The inside's going to get it too. I'm guessing when this one has more tread depth than this one by quite a bit, it probably just grabbed that outside lip. Just wrecked it.
So is it best to go ahead and, like you said, get two new? I mean, well, replace both of them at the same on each side?
If you want honest recommendation, yes.
Okay.
Honestly, yeah. A lot of companies don't like to. But it actually voids our warranty for the tires if you don't. If they're not within, I think it's 730 seconds.
I don't know if you guys can hear, it's an air leak inside of the truck. Maybe I sat in the seat when I was trying to clean up. It's a pinch in the hose, is leaking air. I always want to keep the equipment up to date, the part, you want to be safe. The air compressor is overworking. And you don't want nothing to be overworking itself where it's burning itself out. And that's even a bigger, more headache.
had to cut it and put it in place anywhere the airline got rubbed that hole in it. And all we had to do was
When it comes to tires, really don't take tires for granted. On your steers, you have a minimum of 4 30-seconds of an inch. Drives and your trailer tires, you want a minimum of 2 30-seconds of an inch. When you do replace your tire, particular side of an axle, a new versus an old, you have a high risk of maybe wearing the new one down more, a lot faster than what it's supposed to. Can actually create a blowout. Everybody's money is not the same, and some financial burdens are greater than others. So in the back of your mind, when you do replace one and not the other, be sure next week or at least within the month you want to replace the one that's next to. Or at least if you put a used one on it, make sure the tire, the tread on the tire equals up to the one that's right beside it. When it comes to major mechanics within the truck, stuff that might be messing up, but the truck still runs, it's extremely important to get on that soon as possible. Your own operator costs you a lot more money, especially if you ain't got no warranty. Company driver, please give us owner operators, owners, and carriers a break. Extremely important for you guys to tell the dispatcher, the owner of the truck, what is going on. A lot of these guys get out here and they get to driving. As soon as it messes up, oh, I don't know what happened. The owner got to come all the way to another state, tow man, to tow it for $4,000. Who wants to go through those problems? Not me. Company driver, owner operators, please be aware of your equipment, surroundings. It gets real out here in the battlefield over the road. To my viewers at YouTube, hit that like button, man. I need you all to subscribe. In that comment section, problems that you had, man, problems with strapping lumber, tarping lumber, blowout on the side of the road, crazy experiences, man, with a blowout. You didn't decide to take it to the tire shop before it blew out. Tell me what happened when it's with your motor, air compressor, that messed up on your truck and had you in a bad situation when you out here. Need those comments. This truck talk. I need y'all to participate. You hear me?